Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up in ChatGPT. So let's start. First of all, open the ChatGPT app that you have already downloaded. Then you will find a screen like this. If you are a first time user of ChatGPT, then you have to sign up your account. For that, tap on sign up with email, or you can also tap on continue with Google to create a new account. Select the email address that you want to use while creating the ChatGPT account. After selecting your email ID, you will have to enter your personal details. After entering your personal details and phone number, it will ask you to solve a puzzle so that you can verify you are a human. Tap on begin puzzle. Then you will have to match the angle of the photo. After you solve the puzzle, it will send a verification code to your phone number and confirm the verification by itself. Tap on continue. As you can see, your new ChatGPT account has been created. Now you can search for various things using the ChatGPT software. Hence, in these couple of simple steps, you can sign up for ChatGPT on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.